Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove a card from Shein. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead first, remove this and access your shein.com from your browser, or you can simply go ahead open up your app as well. Then afterwards, simply go ahead, tap on this. I'm going to cross this out. Then from this home section, go ahead, tap on this me icon at the bottom right corner. And once you're in this page, you're going to tap on this gear icon on top right corner. Now you're going to go to the section of my payment options. Now you will have a card over here connected. As you can see here, I do not have any card connected right over there, but you will find your listed card. Tap on your card, and there will be a trash icon beside the card or delete button. Go ahead, tap on the either trash or the delete button, and then tap on confirmation. It will pop up a confirmation notification. Tap on confirm, and your card will be deleted, and you're gonna go through add a new card process and add your card. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.